So today at Orion High School, we're holding our annual salad event. Normally we take phones after we bag them, but this year we're having students hold on to their phones. They're all sealed in a bubble bag, and then they're going to be kept in their backpacks and boxes at the front of the classroom. We're just encouraging students to stay out their phones, make some real connections, and for every phone we collect, we donate $1 to the charity Cell Phones for Soldiers.
To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you.
Emotionally, I'm really excited that it's back. I'm really excited that the kids invested and wanted to invest in it. And Lake Orion likes to be unique. We like to do things that no other schools are doing. So we're thrilled to have it back, and we're thrilled to be able to celebrate not only our military, but just the unity that it brings our building for the day.
We would like to begin our assembly by introducing our community heroes. By risking their lives to save ours, they are the modern-day heroes that we all should be eternally grateful for.
Officers from other areas that I don't typically work with every day call me, and we're pretty excited about getting together today.